Hello! Thank you for choosing my video over the billions of videos out there. I trust you're off to a fantastic start in 2024. To create a 3D animation, you need 4 basic steps. Create a 3D character. Remove the background. Add voiceover for the character. Change the background and edit the video. I will try to address all of these aspects.
I'm excited to demonstrate how you can craft your very own Disney-style 3D animated character, akin to the one gracing your screen at this moment.
We'll
achieve this using a couple of remarkable AI tools, generously available for free.
So,
without further ado, let's dive into the tutorial and unravel the process together. And our tool of choice for this creative venture is Stylar AI, currently in beta, and as of now, accessible without charge. Depending on when you're watching this, it might still be free, providing around 200 credits. Each video creation consumes approximately 4 credits, affording you ample room for experimentation. Commence by hitting New Project, assigning a title of your choosing, and customizing dimensions based on your intended platform, be it Shorts or regular YouTube. Stylar AI presents various options, including text-to-image, akin to other AI tools. However, for our purpose of crafting an image resembling ourselves, we'll leverage the image-to-image functionality. Import your chosen image, then proceed to the text-to-image section. Rather than manually describing the image, opt for the AI's auto-prompting feature. Let the AI analyze and describe the image, providing a detailed depiction. This description serves as a foundation for our character creation. Now, fine-tune the structure parameter to ensure a close match to the facial features of the input image. Moving on to styles, we'll select 3D illustration Innocent Cutie to infuse a charming, cartoonish appeal. Click Stylize, and voila, we have our creation. Occasionally, adjustments to the prompt may be needed for accuracy. The iterative process allows you to experiment until achieving the desired caricature-like result. Next, we explore various styles and select the one aligning with our vision. I'm inclined towards a slightly pixelated, cartoonish aesthetic, so I opt for the second option. Upon selecting, place it on the canvas. It's advisable to generate multiple variations for diverse scenes and attire. Modify the prompt to experiment with different clothing, generating a spectrum of character options. Once satisfied with your character variations, organize them on the canvas. The layering system allows easy management, much like in Photoshop. Removing the background enhances versatility. Facilitating seamless integration into different environments during animation. Export your masterpiece, preserving transparency if needed. Now, in the animation phase, various tools are at your disposal. I prefer using DID for its user-friendly interface and a complimentary initial credit allotment. After logging in, click Create Video and choose the Custom Character option. Upload your generated character image, and you're ready to infuse life into it. For audio, you can either upload a pre-recorded file or use text-to-speech options. In my case, I have pre-recorded audio, so I simply upload it. The character dynamically reacts to the audio, adding emotions and movements. Keep in mind the watermark in the trial version, but for testing purposes, it's a small price to pay for the impressive results.
hello! Thank you for choosing my video over the billions of videos out there. I trust you're off to a fantastic start in 2024. In today's tutorial,
I'm excited to demonstrate how you can craft your very own Disney-style 3D animated character, akin to the one gracing your screen at this moment.
we'll
achieve this using a couple of remarkable AI tools, generously available for free. With the generated video, we move on to post-production. If you used a green screen background, changing the backdrop becomes a breeze. Employ your preferred video editing software. I'm using CapCut. Import your character video, scale it, and use an effect like Ultra Key to remove the green background. Midnight.
hello! Thank you for choosing my video over the billions of videos out there.
Now, you have the flexibility to place your character in any setting you desire. Midnight.
hello! Thank you for choosing my video over the billions of videos out there. I trust you're off to a fantastic start in 2024.
And there you have it. A seamlessly animated character ready to engage your audience. If you enjoyed this tutorial, do me a favor and hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel for more insightful tutorials, and remember, keep learning. Until next time, take care.